At Chartwell, we have a team of engineers and scientists. That means that we're able to go beyond just diagnosing that there is a challenge or an issue or a roadblock, and then actually work with the engineers and process technicians on the shop floor to design the optimal solution. This project, we were working with a long-standing client that we've done work with across Europe and America in a number of their different business units. So they knew they could trust us in their most urgent and important situations. And here we were working in one of their pharmaceutical sites. It's a multi-product site with 10 different buildings, 75 separate assets, and they can all be configured to mix up and make a variety of different products. When they're facing the point where some of their orders are going to miss their customer deadlines, that's exactly the critical situation where we get brought in to work hands-on on the shop floor, increasing capacity and making sure that ultimately patients will get the medicine that they need. Where Chartwell stands out is our ability not just to diagnose what the issue is, but our ability to then build the solution with the client team. We were on site, in there with the engineers, the process leaders in the production building itself, mapping out the plans, challenging technical constraints, helping them design tests and experiments so that we could get the right data to be confident that the process changes were going to be effective. So it was very much pairing up our expertise in driving improvement with their knowledge of their product and their process to find the best outcome that helped them achieve their goals. The main goal of the operational transformation was, in the short term, to free up capacity and enable them to meet their oversold customer demand, but then also to make sure that next year, when they were also oversold, they had the skills to be able to replicate it as a new wave of products came through and they'll be faced with similar challenges.